Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm doing something different. I've been doing a lot of bread lately, and today I'm going to make two things in concert with each other. First, I'm going to use this. I'm sure you know what this is. And I'm going to use this. This is a spicy seafood tom yum from Malaysia. If you don't know what this is, you should. But what am I going to use it in concert with? Well, I got these. I am making pizzas with these. I'm not going to make the crust out of ramen. So scratch that from your mind. I think that wouldn't be very good. I've seen people do it. I'm not into that idea. I'm going to make a pizza dough in the bread machine, but I'm going to top it with all sorts of stuff, including noodles. So that should work. So yeah, let's give this a try. Somebody asked to see the posters in my bathroom. Well, here they are. Alright, they're done. First off, we have the My Quali Tom Yum Pizza. There's shrimp, there's mung bean sprouts, there's Alfredo mixed with one of their paste sachets, and there's tomato and basil. And I put some mint on top. So let's give this a go. Did I say there was also noodles in here? Yes, there are noodles. There's the side of it. Look at that. Wow. Let's give it a go. This is really good. Yeah, this worked out extremely well. Man, I'm like thoroughly impressed by this. Tom Yum Pizza is actually a thing in Asia. You might not know this, but Domino's is really popular in Asia, as is Pizza Hut. And they have flavors that appeal to the locals there. One of them that's popular is Tom Yum. Yeah, I didn't know how well this would come out, and this came out perfect. Yeah, 20 minutes at 425, that worked very well. Now for what I'm sure you guys have been waiting for, the shin. So this one's got shin mixed with Alfredo. I used the same Alfredo that I used with the Tom Yum. Spring onion and chashu with cheddar cheese, and yeah, let's give her a go. Check that out. This one has cheddar cheese. It also has the noodles that come in shin. That was like the first layer. The noodles were the first layer on both of these pies. So let's give this one a go. I was expecting this one to be saltier, but it's actually worked out quite well. Oh, there's a little bit of heat to this one. I'm getting a spicy hit. So what I'm noticing is that the noodles that were at the base of the crust, some of them ended up being slightly crisp, and that actually works in this. So yeah, wow, the My Quali Tom Yum pizza came out good. The Shin Ramyun pizza came out good. This one's spicy. This one's like really savory. It all worked out, and I'm really stoked. This is like everything worked out exactly as I'd hoped. I'd like to send an absolutely enormous big thank you to my wife, Kit. I found that I had no spring onion, and that had to go on top of this, and she ran to the store for me midway through all of this happening. So thank you so much. I love you, baby. Well, I'm gonna go watch some baseball, finish my beer, and maybe have another slice of this stuff. This is rad. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Make some pizza. Have a good one. Bye-bye.